Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, end of the month almost. Yes, Thursday, September the 29th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The tectonic, this one is very interesting because it has 8 printed digits, so a hard one. We have a hard one here. And the binary, it's time for binary. Yeah, binary time. And this one will be number 5252 552. Wow, double 52. We have here double 52. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Yeah, let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. All right, so let's get started. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O. Oh, here. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. Then. Let me see. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then, come on, compare? No, no kidding. No kidding. Oh, no. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah, need to compare now, I think. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay. The question is, we have here 2 rows and 2 columns. Let me see for the columns. 1 O. Do we have a 1 O here? Here 1 O. 1 O. Yeah, this column and that column. 1 O. Empty box. 1 O. Empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. One time comparing in 4 minutes. Yes, completed in 4 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle. Well, I'm very interested in that puzzle because it has 8 printed digits. Should be a hard one. Until then, bye bye for now.